Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful pinafore dress. So if this is what you would like to learn, then let's get started. From the neck point, I will measure 1.5 inches. And from here, we'll measure 0.75 inch. And you can do 1 inch as well, or maybe 1.25 inches. So this is my point and this is my point. Now I'm going to highlight this nipple line. And from this point, I'll connect to the nipple line on the center front. Now I'll just pick a point on this new neckline and connect to the nipple point. And because I want that place a bit firm, I'll be taking a dart of 1/2 inch. The width should be 1/2 inch or probably 5/8 of an inch. That's 0.625 inch. So now I will extend the waist dart towards the nipple point. All right. Now here I'm going to come down by 0.25 inch from the shoulder and connect to the shoulder tip. And you can also do 0.5. Now it's time to trim out the neck line. I need to fold in this dart and before I can do this, I need to open up the waist dart. So I'm trying to transfer the 1/2 inch dart on the neckline to the waist line. So and I'm going to secure with my tape. Now before I can trim out, I need to blend the rest of the neckline. Now I can cut it out. Now here I'm going to come down from on the side. I'll come down by 1.5 inches Then connect to the shoulder point, the point on the shoulder. Here from the dart leg, outer dart leg, I'll measure half an inch on both sides. I'll do the same on the other side. And I'll curve it right from the nipple about 1 or 1.25 inches below the nipple line. So I'll just curve it like that. And from this point, I'll connect to the waistline. Now, my side dart, I want to extend it. I'm extending it, as you can see, to my nipple point. Now I'll create a princess line right from the armhole to the nipple area. You can also create a dart on the new armhole to firm up that area. But in this video, I didn't bother to do it. Probably I forgot to do it, but the outcome wasn't bad at all. So, but you can do it if you want it firmer, okay, than the way it looks. So that's why you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end to know the outcome, okay? So I'm trimming the side, okay, just for you to have a good fit and of course a good shape, okay, to enhance the shape. Yeah, okay, so the space here is just to create more room for the bust to sit, and I'm covering it with a little paper and I'm blending right now, so you can see how smooth that area is, the bust part. So this is what I have, and I'll go over to the back now. Okay, the back is very simple. Okay, so here I've added my zipper allowance, which is 1 inch, okay, to the pattern. So I'm going to connect these two darts. You can as well remove the darts before doing this, okay. So the darts here, the shoulder dart is optional, it doesn't really matter even if you don't add it, Okay, so now I'm measuring 1.5 inches inward into the shoulder, and from the shoulder tip inward again I'm measuring 0.75 inch, just the way I did on the front pattern. Here I'll come down by 1.5 inches and connect to the shoulder. So here I'll measure half an inch inward and connect to the waistline. I did it on the back. I forgot to do it on the front, so that's why I'm doing it right now. So can you see what I did? Okay, so now I'm going to connect this to the level it is on the front. Okay, so what I will do is just to measure from the waist to where the neckline starts from, and I have about 7 point something inches, so I'll just measure it from the waistline as well on the back up. I want it to be on the same level, and you can make yours, come down a bit more or go up a bit more, so this depends on you. And please, when you're drawing your neckline, remember that there is a zipper allowance, and zipper allowance is not part of the neck. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So as I'm drawing it right now, I am connecting to the center back, the real center back, and not the zipper allowance. Okay, so the center back actually dictates the shape of the zipper allowance. Okay, so I'll connect from the peak of my dart to any point on the neckline and create a dart. I'm folding in the shoulder dart. Now on this new neck point, I'll come down by 0.25 and connect to the shoulder tip. to be able to cut the neckline properly, I need to fold in the zipper allowance. Like I said, this neckline, the center back line dictates to the zipper allowance which way to go. I hope you understand. So, and of course, that's why I need to fold it in and assume that the zipper allowance is not there. Okay, so when I'm done with what I want, then I can now, the zipper allowance can now take the shape of the center back. So of course you need to blend before you cut it out. The new neck line is a deep neck, and that is all I need for my pinafore dress. Now I'm trimming out the shoulder. And I'm trimming out the armhole as well to have my new deep armhole. Okay, so this is what I have, and now I'm going to separate the pattern. Okay, can you see what I have right now? This is what I have. Now this shape I will trim out, cut it off. Okay, so this is how my center back is going to, look. All right, so this is what I have as my back piece or back pattern piece. So I have my front and I have my back. Okay, so I'll be using a crepe fabric that is a bit stretchy. So, and I have my facing also cut, unfold the one on the front and the back. Okay, so this is what I have. Now I am removing the pins and making preparations to start joining. Okay, the side panel, I cut 2 of that. I cut this unfold as well, so the side panel will complete the full front. Can you see what it looks like right now? So with the help of my pin, I'm attaching together for you to have an idea of what the front is going to look like. Can you see what I have? This is it, and my facing is also like this, and this is the outcome. Can you see how beautiful it looks? Like I said, if you want the armhole to be firmer, you can create a dart along that line. Thank you for watching. Bye.